Peace is not the absence of conflict, but the presence of justice. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. In peace, sons bury their fathers. In war, fathers bury their sons. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Peace is a daily, a weekly, a monthly process, gradually changing opinions, slowly eroding old barriers, quietly building new structures. It is not enough to say we must not wage war. It is necessary to love peace and sacrifice for it. Peace is not a relationship of nations. It is a condition of mind brought about by a serenity of soul. The real and lasting victories are those of peace, and not of war. Peace begins with a smile. There is no path to peace. Peace is the path. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy, then he becomes your partner. When the rich wage war, it's the poor who die. War does not determine who is right, only who's left. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Peace is the only battle worth waging. Peace is not something you wish for, it's something you make, something you do, something you are, and something you give away. Peace is the virtue of civilization. War is its crime. There is no time left for anything but to make peace work a dimension of our every waking activity. Peace is not the product of terror or fear. Peace is not the silence of cemeteries. Peace is not the silent result of violent repression. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Those who are at war with others are not at peace with themselves. Peace is its own reward. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. Peace is not a relationship of nations. It is a condition of mind brought about by a serenity of soul. Thank you for watching, and may the rest of your day be filled with positivity and joy.